Now I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment you completed through the Dropbox, or sometimes they're just called assignments in the course, in order to turn in your work for World History class. I'll show you an example of this using the Unit 1 Viewpoint assignment. So you can see I have my Unit 1 Viewpoint assignment open on the screen. And once I've completed the assignment and I'm ready to turn it in, you'll have to make sure that you save your work. So I'm going to go up here. If I have a Word document or a PowerPoint assignment, I go to File. Then I choose Save As. And you want to make sure that you remember where you save your assignment on your computer so you can come back to it later to turn it in. And so you might even have some different folders on your computer for your different courses that you're taking. So I'm going to save mine in my documents. And then I'm going to choose my folder. It's called 1 Social Studies Assignments. So I'll double click on that. And you can name your file. I have mine named Unit 1 Viewpoint Assignment. Then I just click on Save to save that. And now that my assignment's saved, I can close that. And I go into my World History course page, HST 103AX. And to submit the assignment, I'll look under Tools up at the top. I'm going to click on Tools and then choose Assignments. And once you get to this page, you'll see the different folders where you can submit your files, or different drop boxes, they're sometimes referred to. And you want to make sure you choose the correct folder that goes along with the assignment that you completed. So I completed my Unit 1 Viewpoint assignment. Here's that folder down here. I'll click on the correct folder for my assignment. And you might sometimes see some directions for the assignments up at the top. And whenever you're turning it in, now that you're in this submission folder, you'll have to scroll down and you'll look under this section called Submit Assignment. And now I need to turn in my work so that my teacher can see it, so that they can grade it and send some feedback. So to get this work sent in, I'm going to click on the Add a File button. And my work is saved on my computer. So after I click Add a File, I'll choose My Computer. And then you click the Upload button. And this is where you have to remember where you saved your work. Remember, I put mine in Documents, and the folder on my computer I called 1 Social Studies Assignments. And here's my assignment, the Unit 1 Viewpoint assignment. So I'm going to select that by clicking on it. You'll see that it highlights on your computer. And once you choose the assignment to send in, you just click on Open. You'll see the file should come up below. You want to make sure that that appears, and then click on the blue Add button. And again, you can check that your file's there. It should appear on this page too under Add a File. This is what I'm turning in, this document I completed, the Unit 1 Viewpoint assignment. Maybe I have a note to share with the teacher, something about the assignment. I could click in this comments box and type that below. And once I have my file attached here, if I have any notes to write, I would have written them below. You want to make sure you click the Submit button, and that's going to send that assignment in through that Dropbox or assignment folder to your teacher. You can see it lets you know if your file has gone through. It'll say that the file submission is successful. It shows what you submitted, where you submitted it. And once you're happy with that, you can press the Done button down at the bottom, and that'll take you back to the main page. And just make sure that you come back to the world history page later. I will grade your work and send feedback as soon as possible. And just make sure that you read the feedback. You'll get a notification on your world history page. So click on the feedback. You might see some suggestions, maybe something you want to edit and submit again to improve your score or review. And if you have any questions about submitting your work, feel free to contact me as well.